It's the day before Mother's Day, and former NICU patients and their families are reconnecting with healthcare providers at Eisenhower Health. News Channel 3's Miyoshi Price is here live in studio after a sweet baby-filled day. Miyoshi, tell us all about it.
Hi, Marion. It really was super sweet. Eisenhower Family Birth Center hosted its first NICU reunion this afternoon. Families and those who cared for them celebrated these babies who were infants and they are now toddlers.
We just felt very relieved when she came and was healthy.
Vriel and Patrick Marr welcomed their first child, Parker, in October 2020. Vriel was in the hospital for 5 weeks for a placenta condition and had a C-section at 34 weeks.
She spent 11 days in the NICU, but the staff and everything here was very supportive.
Parker is now 7 months old and healthy, playing with her nurse, Julie Riem, at the NICU Reunion.
Which, nobody wants to come to the NICU, but just to bond with them there and then now to see how she's just flourishing is amazing.
This is Wade Hernandez. He was born on a Friday, but it wasn't until he was discharged from Eisenhower Family Birth Center 3 days later that his parents got to see him.
There was a really big possibility that we were going to have to leave the hospital without him, so no mom ever wants that, but luckily we didn't have to.
Saturday was a chance for families to share appreciation with those who cared for them and gave them hope at their most vulnerable moments.
It just keeps feeding our desire to be there for these families at sometimes one of the worst times, or certainly unplanned times.
Thank you guys so much for helping us all out during it. It was a really tough time for us, and just having everyone there and being so supportive was just a blessing for all of us.
I'm told around 130 families were expected at today's reunion. The director of the birth center plans to make this an annual event. I'm live in studio, Miyoshi Price, News Channel 3.
And Miyoshi, those babies are just too cute to handle. Oh my gosh, they just melt your heart. They melt your heart.
Listen, Marion, there was so much gratitude in that building. It was just a sweet moment, and those babies, they're healthy.
I know, they're so lucky. We're so thankful that they're there. Thank you so much for that beautiful story. Appreciate it. And now changes are in store for the Wells Fargo branch just west of the